What up, Layla?
What up?
I said what in the butt. I said what in the butt. I said
We got a question.
in the butt.
Do you like it in the butt?
In my butt. You want it to in my butt? In my butt.
Do you like it in the butt?
In my butt. Let's do it in the butt.
That's in the butt.
Okay.
Alright.
Shout out to Layla Scrape.
Layla
Scrape. There you go. Like
Straight up.
straight or scrape?
It's straight. It's straight.
We're not getting in this argument again, guys.
Fuck that shit.
Okay,
We're just gonna go straight.
Straight.
It's
Okay.
straight.
But anyways,
It's not straight.
this is a special episode shout out, Mathanga thing,
Yep.
where you have won a lucky prize.
You have won a lucky prize. For your
You know what the
prize,
prize is.
your prize will be revealed in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
And it's a Chihuahua!
It's a Chihuahua. You have won a white male. I don't know, deer Chihuahua.
Yeah.
He's real firm. He's a nice dog.
Anyways.
Hey, wave, Benny, wave. Come on, bro, pull it off for the fucking Look at the bro. Oh, that's weird. Look at the camera, bro. Hey, look, bro. Come on, it's a fucking video. He usually waves, but I think we heard him when we threw him on the practice video. But
Yeah.
he's still good.
That's why we
He walks normal. You see him walking around a little bit there. Would you look at him?
look at that.
But yep, this is your prize. Email me for shipping and handling. It's only $99.99 plus tax. But it's a pretty good deal. It's a free white Chihuahua. It's free, only $99.99 plus tax.
If you do not claim your prize in 10 days,
10 days.
it's a $50 charge.
Yeah, plus we kill them and ship them to you, so it's less. Yeah, we don't really care.
So
I mean,
either-
we just throw them around and shit, But he's a good Chihuahua.
It's $100 for a live Chihuahua, or you pay me $50 and we ship you a dead dog.
Yeah, go.
I go to
We're gonna keep his head because we like his ears.
Yeah, he's
He
very
usually
nice.
keeps them up, but I think he's scared.
potty trained, and he comes with a little tent like
Yeah.
that big.
Oh, somebody go get his tent.
It's
Somebody
right
go get his tent.
inside.
It's right inside. We're gonna show you his
Right
tent. It comes
to
with
the
the tent.
Yep.
For that, it's no extra charge.
No.
Only like $3 for shipping and handling. Check out his tent. Get his tent up in here.
Woo!
His tent. He goes inside the tent. But yeah, that's his tent. This is for Layla Straight. You've won a
Layla
white
Straight.
Chihuahua. If
Layla
you really want him, just
His
let us
name's
know.
Ben, by the way. So
You gotta come
hi,
get him
Ben
when my
Ben.
parents ain't home, or I'll ship him when my parents ain't home, so they don't know I give their dog
Yeah.
away. But this is your prize. Like, you're a lucky
Don't-
winner, Layla.
Don't
Like, you
like
live
it?
down the street. Like, you gotta pay us back somehow. Like,
Mhm.
look at this. You don't get this every day.
No.
Look at this. Dude,
I'm tearing up.
I can't get rid of him.
I just can't believe it.
I can't believe you won my dog. Like, shit.
What are we gonna do?
What are we gonna
We're
do?
gonna have to go buy another one. Would you like
It's
that?
okay. Would you look at
Would you like
that?
that?
Oh, he don't want to leave me.
Oh, there's a bug on it.
He's a good
There's
dog.
bug.
Fuck him. Peace out. Fuck that dog. We didn't want him anyway. You can have him. Fucking grand prize, my ass.
Yeah.
But yeah, that's your
Yeah.
prize, Layla. Strength.
Anyway,
Ooh, I just spit on my
so
lip.
Layla,
Layla.
again,
It's your dog. It's your
just
dog.
like the Raina Ballard.
Ballard. That's your best friend.
girl, we
Oh
don't
yeah,
know-
shout out from Raina Ballard.
It's
Don't
straight.
know.
Shout out
We
from
don't know.
Raina Ballard. She told me to give you a shout out. She
But we're
loves
just
you.
chilling.
From this is Raina. I love you, Layla Stray. I love you. Yeah. Yes. That was a shout out from Raina. I love you.
Layla's great.
We're gonna
Layla.
chill, like I said.
Ray.
Raina's video. We're gonna chill after I get back from the
Yeah.
GA backwards
Shut up.
shit. GA
Oh shit.
something GA.
Yeah,
Yeah,
chill it.
we're gonna chill when we get back. All of us. We're gonna make it some fun shit.
Yeah.
So
Straight up.
yeah, we love you.
Well, he does
He doesn't.
because we don't know you.
We don't know.
But we still love you.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, we love
Yeah.
you. We love you.
Mhm.
And
Sure.
Raina Ballard, whatever
Ballard,
it was.
shut the fuck up with Ballard.
Alright, BA.
All right.
Ballard.
So anyway, we're gonna go back
So,
to what in the butt.
we
So,
out. So
In
hit
the
it
butt.
up.
we want to know a question. Do you like it in your butt?
In
your
the
butt? I said butt.
I said what in the butt. I said what in the butt. I said what in the butt. I said what in the butt.
Do you like it in the butt?
In my butt.
Do you like it in the butt?
In my butt.
Do you like it in the butt?
In my butt. Let's do it in the
We
butt.
out, nigga. Shout out.
Hey.